Hi guys! So I thought I would share a little tutorial on this 3D lip art lollipop illusion. So let's just jump into it. I started out by outlining the general shape of the lollipop with white AQ paint, and then I filled it in with blue. Taking my small art brush, which I will link down below, I started applying a darker shade of blue to the edges and anywhere that the lollipop would naturally crinkle. Then I went in with black and started to darken the areas a bit and also outline the very bottom of the stick in black. So my camera died here, but I just added a black line underneath the lollipop as a shadow, and now I'm going in with the tiniest art brush to add the highlights around the black. This makes the shadows pop and gives the illusion that it is lifting off of my face. So next we're going to take black and paint directly underneath the lollipop and then at an angle underneath the stick. Here I'm taking a damp flat brush and slowly blending the black down to create a really nice soft gradient. I also took a dense fluffy brush to really soften the edges, and then after that I went back in with a gray powder to really smooth out the shadows. Alright, does anyone else get confused when you're looking in a mirror or a monitor and it's just hard to tell which way your hand is moving? My brain was beyond confused at that point. So this was probably the trickiest part, and it was just applying the letters. I painted them on using my Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks, and yeah, this probably was the most nerve-wracking part. I thought I was going to ruin the entire thing, but I just took my time and thankfully it turned out okay. So after that, I just apply the finishing touch of white to the center and the edges to really make the illusion pop, and then voila, we are all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you decide to recreate this lollipop lip illusion, please tag me so I can see your amazing work. As always, I have the links for my social media and the products I use down below. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye!